Na Pynhap Perdano ia ke Meghalaya Association of Kickboxing Organization Mako mentakas ngi ke khatnyau trik unai lur ya ke Lympung Ialehkai Meghalaya State Level Kickboxing Championship ke Baar Pusan. Hakani kasngi lawan banyadan rekat lang dakakong Amanda Pakenteng kum ke Kongsan, Bak Jason Lalu General Secretary KSU kum usumbut Kongsan, Bak Doni Rani President ke Meghalaya Association of Kickboxing Organization ki kemi ki kpa ki kena ki balawan bansaki ya keni ke Ialehkai mentakasngi.
Have been going and Congress is still the same, and Meghalaya Association of Kickboxing Organization also is the same. It has been a privilege and an honor to speak before you on the closing ceremony of this 25th Meghalaya State Level Kickboxing Championship and the first professional kickboxing fight night Silver Jubilee celebration of the Meghalaya Association of Kickboxing Organization. I acknowledge you have been taking this game as your professional sports. It's not just a sports. And I acknowledge that you won this game from the bottom of your heart, and you have given your very best to participate in this venture. State kickboxing is not just a sport, it is also a world's leading sport. So it's not easy to fight. You have to practice, train hard, and you have to face the uncertainties so that you can proceed forward and endure the real hard kick. This fight, the hard fight, which you have to endure, will surely show what kind of a fighter you are.